Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm showing you my makeup collection. I have the gingerbread Too-Faced palette that came out at Christmas one year. I have the Too-Faced Sugar Pop. I love the colors in that. And I have the Too-Faced Festival, which is like a unicorn rainbow palette. My Kylie Jenner bag with my nice Kylie Cosmetics palette. Then I have her lip gloss, her highlighter, the Too Faced Christmas palettes from a few years ago. It has the gingerbread scents, the peppermint mocha scents, and the eggnog latte scents. Then I have the little red cinnamon bear collection, which is super cute. It came in this bag and it had this lip gloss. Then we have the Kylie Jenner I Want It All collection. Super pretty. Knockout Beauty by Sonia Kashuk. And the Too Faced Chocolate Bar highlight and eyeshadow palette. So I just want to share with you my makeup collection. I had shared it on Instagram. Thought you guys would like to see it too.